I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select an action Thrive Automator. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the Thrive Automator dashboard. Create the first automation. Choose a trigger incoming webhooks. Copy the webhook URL and click on the Listen to fetch the URL. Then go back to your integration site and paste it. Body. Send all data. Choose Request Payload Application/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Thrive Automator site and here you can see that the data fetched successfully. Done. Click on the plus icon and add an action. Email. Add user in autoresponder. You can select the action you desire. I choose MailerLite. Choose a list. Done. Save and finish it. Set the status as active. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to MailerLite Dashboard. After successfully sending the data via Uncanny Automator, you can see it in MailerLite. Thanks for watching.